I see that white head. Why is it not taking pictures? Holy moly. Why is he in the water though?